Are you truly nurturing your body? Do you love yourself correctly enough to nurture your body? Because it's only when you nurture your body that you could begin to realize your potentials. You'll be able to navigate any kind of life challenges. You need to take care of your body. No one else can do it for you. You are the CEO of your body. As a strategic and transformational coach, I know the importance of this, and I let my clients know. They come first, and in coming first towards that holistic well-being, you need to nurture your body, and that is loving yourself correctly. Let me give you the 4 ways you can nurture your body. The very first one is by eating well. You need to eat well. You need to have a kind of balanced diet in your meal. You don't need to be very rich to be able to eat very well. Eating well doesn't mean you taking a whole bunch of bunk of anything. Eating well doesn't mean just taking any kind of junks into your body. No, you need to eat well, balancing the carbohydrate, the protein, and all other minerals that you need for your body to give you a flawless skin, to give you a smooth skin. That's what I call what we could call food nutritional oil of gladness. Number 2, you need to sleep soundly. Most of us deprive ourselves of our sleep. There have been a lot of people debating me saying, oh, you need 8 hours, you need 9 hours, you need 5 hours, or things like that. You understand your body perfectly well. Some like to go to bed very early, and then they wake up early too. Some go to bed very late, and they can wake up late. The most important thing is the hours between it. It's a resetting period for you. Your brain is reset. Your body is reset. So that when you wake up, you are looking good. So sleep soundly. You need to prioritize restful sleep each night. When you eat well, the first point, you fill your body with nutritious foods. Number 3, stay active. You need to move your body. If you stay in a position too long, your limbs become kind of stagnant. I mean, it's not moving. You need to move your body. In that case, you need to stay active, either by doing other various forms of exercises. I'm not asking you to jog if you cannot jog, but try to walk, try to stretch, try to move around, try to do something to make you stay active. And the last one, hydrate, is very important. In fact, the best medicine you can take is water. You need to drink plenty of water daily. Get yourself about 32 ounces or even 64 ounces of water to drink daily, if you can. You might not like water to drink. Take it as if you're taking medicine. You need to drink water. With these 4 ways, you are nurturing your body. And it is so important that you nurture your body. Love yourself correctly. I always say that. In loving yourself correctly, you nurture your body. Check my description link for my further information. My name is Josephine. I'm a strategic and transformational coach. Let's talk if you want to know more. the details of where to talk. If it's phone, 404-590-8414. Or send an email to landwithjoes@gmail.com. Or check my website, landwithjoes.com, and you get all the other details you need there. And you know one more thing? There are freebies for you, waiting for you there. Freebies.